Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about a mid-scale company which has given a good breakout and ready for the next breakout. This company is in a downtrend for a longer period of time, and this company has given a huge breakout with a heavy green candle, and currently this is again in a consolidated mode where it's going to go and break in a next higher zones. This company is in Heavy Engineering Limited. As I have done a thorough fundamental analysis of this company is giving a good quarterly results as well as an annual results, and this company has a good shareholding pattern from the State Bank of India as well as from many central government banks, and as well as the foreign institutional investors and the domestic institutional investors are really heavily invested into this company. This company is currently forming in a parallel channel where both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on the stock, where this has given a huge breakout from a long parallel channel once and going to give another breakout in a small parallel channel. Let me explain you in detail with the help of technical chart patterns, buyers and the seller psychology, where exactly that we need to enter into the stock, where we need to keep the stop loss, where we need to book the profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a video on breakout stocks. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.
Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which I was referring is 𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗍 Heavy Engineering Limited. If you see the chart on my screen, this stock has already given a huge breakout from the parallel channel, and currently again it's consolidating in a small parallel channel, which means like both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on the stock, and that's why we see a little consolidation over here and between a small parallel channel. If you go to the chart on my screen, this is the daily time frame. This stock was continuously in a downtrend from almost like 2021 until 2022 June, and from June 2022 this stock is in a heavy consolidation, which means both the buyers and sellers are trying to make an upper hand in the stock for almost like more than 6 months. Currently this stock has given a huge breakout and came out from this parallel channel with a heavy volume, which is almost like 2.71 million volume, and now it's consolidating again in a small parallel channel, which is going to go and break out soon. So I would recommend you to keep the stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the right price, which is going to be in between 585 rupees to 590 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 640 rupees and the target 2 is going to be 720 rupees. Please make sure you keep the strict stop loss, which is going to be exactly at 560 rupees. Currently the Indian markets like Nifty and the Bank Nifty are in a positive zone where more number of buyers are accumulating into those heavy indexes, and the stocks from the India are really giving a good positive results throughout this quarter. So I would recommend to keep the stock under your radar and make sure you enter at the right price. I'm sure this is going to go and hit a new higher zones, which I said in target 1 and target 2. If you see the chart on my screen, which is on weekly chart, you could able to understand clearly that this downtrend has closed from here, and then from downtrend to the consolidated mode, and then the huge breakout, and then again in a consolidated, which is going to be a break from here. So I would recommend you to keep this and make enter at the right price and exit at the right price. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a videos on breakout stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.